Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we share the best tips and tricks to make your life easier with Microsoft Office applications. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful trick to format copied paragraphs using the Find and Replace feature. This is especially useful if you have a large amount of text with unwanted empty lines or multi-line paragraphs that you want to clean up. Let's get started. First, let's open the Microsoft Word document and copy some text from an external source. This could be from an email, a web page, or another document, and often this text comes with some unwanted formatting. As you can see, this document has some empty lines between paragraphs and multi-line paragraphs that we want to clean up. We'll use the Find and Replace feature to fix this quickly. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on Replace in the editing group. Or, you can press Ctrl and H on your keyboard to open the Find and Replace window. In the Find and Replace window, we can enter special characters to search for specific formatting. Let's start by removing the empty lines. In the Find What field, type character with the letter P twice. This represents two paragraph marks back to back, which indicates an empty line. Leave the Replace with field empty. Now, click on Replace All. As you can see, all the empty lines have been removed. Next, let's fix the multi-line paragraphs. In the Find What field, type P. This will find all the paragraph marks. In the Replace With field, leave it empty, or you can type a space if you want a single space between the lines. Now, click on Replace All again. Excellent. All the multi-line paragraphs have been cleaned up, and your document looks much more organized. And you can continue the additional formatting as you desired. And that's it. Using the Find and Replace feature with special characters, you can quickly format copied paragraphs in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Microsoft Word tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.